What's up, guys? So you can see from the thumbnail that I'm getting a new seat. But first, we got to get the old seat out. It's a purple Prisma. It's medium, doesn't fit me. So we're gonna get that new seat. I'll show it to you as soon as I get it. Hopefully, if this video comes out, I got a new seat. But if not, you're never gonna see this. But we're down as far as we can get it, and then we're gonna pull this out, and then we're meeting with my buddy Devin Saturday, and we're gonna go to Paducah. Meet the guy, get the seat, bring it back, and then we'll finish putting it in. All right, let's get to removing the seat real quick. My seatbelt bolt was loose. Good thing we're here doing this. I eventually want to get a cage in this thing, but with the budget right now, we're not going to do that yet. I also want to drive more this year, so we're going to get some seat time in before we start putting the cage in. Just like that. Got the seat out. Let's close this door. Go up here to my mess. Let's see, it's a Prisma. The Prisma. That was our GK sticker and our Manimal sticker, but I got more. All right, as you can see, the seat is cleaned up. It's shiny, and we're ready to go Paducah. And hopefully this guy trades me the seat. I didn't pull out for no reason, and we can put it in and possibly get some more parts and some tires if my checkbook's all right, and then we'll get to getting ready for an event. As you can see, it's the next day. The guy seems to be going through with the deal, so now all we do is load, go pick up my buddy, and we'll be heading to Paducah. Go trade this thing, get a large seat. This is a medium, so get a large seat and I'll be able to fit in the car a little better, and then we'll adjust the brackets a little bit and maybe add some more holes, but all right. What's up, guys? As you can see from the thumbnail, we have the seat. It's the next day, but we do have it. Nice cherry blossom Prisma seat. A little bit of a come up. It is dirty, so we got to clean it. It's not as pristine as my other one. I do have the other cushion here. I don't have the 5-point harness, so we might not worry about that, but it is very nice. Nice glitter back on it. Very shiny. We'll slap some more stickers on there. Then we'll drill holes for that. But first, I'm going to get this sucker clean. And she's clean. Looks almost brand new. There's still a little discoloration. It's probably a couple-year-old seat, but looks pretty good. There's some like where the upholstery's a little messed up there, but got it clean. Looks dang good for what it is. Put some stickers on it, but first, let's get this thing, the rails in. But first we'll put a few bolts in it and then measure down to see how far we need to go to get this to where it fits as low as we can get it. We want it on the floor without vibrating off the floor. So after 2 hours of just messing with the seat, trying to get it to fit, I think I've come to a conclusion that it's not going to fit until I cut these rails up. So I'll show you what I have to do. They were able to drop and adjust with my medium seats, but they do not adjust at all with my large seats. So it's in there. I pulled the side bolt out because it was at the very top hole here, which, as you can see, there's 3 more holes going down to drop it down. And I have this one up one to get it to recline a little bit to maybe get some room. But right now I sit in the seat, back it up a little bit. I sit in the seat and my head hits the ceiling with my helmet on. I put my helmet on, I sat in here and I couldn't, when I sat up, it just rubbed the ceiling. Couldn't even turn my head. So, you see back here, I know lighting's bad, but right here, you can kind of see the lip. I gotta take a thumb's worth off this rail, I think on both sides or a little more, just to get the bottom of this seat to drop down. Because I got, 5-6 inches of room to drop down in the back, and I can lower the front down back to the top hole, or the down a hole, to set it that back down closer to the floor. Because right now I can't sit in it. My freaking head hits the ceiling. So it needs to go way down, because right now I feel like I'm sitting like this. It needs to go way back there, and it just will not do it. Yeah, I got these like 4 or 5 years ago. I wish I never bought the Street Faction stuff. I bought into the hype. Don't do it, guys. Do not buy into the hype. It was a cool looking product, cool design, cool logo, and I fell for it. And now here I am paying the price because I don't want to buy new rails, because these weren't cheap, and I know the new ones are better now from different companies. I still don't want to spend $150 on some seat rails. So we will get to cutting these. All right, after finally this much off my seat rail on the mounting side, I finally have the seat to where my head doesn't hit the ceiling. I finally have plenty of room. I think I'm gonna slide it forward some. I had to weld some support brackets back to it, but other than that, it seems pretty stable. But I'm sitting up, got about that much room above my head, so take about 2 fingers out, and then there's where my helmet will probably reach to. But now I got room to actually drive in this thing. So, now you can see it actually fits my shoulders. Before, my shoulders are like up here on the medium, so I'm very grateful that I got this large, but I've already got it dirty. I touch it with my dirty hands on the top, so it is what it is. Get this thing slid forwards, bolted up, and then hopefully my phone mount will be in later this week, and then I can start doing some videos of it driving. Might drive to my buddy's house where the trailer is and get this piece, and then see if he has any spare carpet we can throw in this thing. I gotta sand that back down. I replaced the floor pan right here. This whole section all the way over and back. It's already rusting. Don't use that Core 15. That's what it does. It just peels off. This stuff is junk. Expensive junk. What's up, guys? As you can see, got the phone mount, seats in, but we need to move it forwards. So let's do that real fast. All right. Let's see how this thing fits. All right, I think I like it. Don't have to reach too far for my hydro. Steering wheel feels good. I'm not stretched out. The first time I had it in here, I was still stretched. Right here feels good. Throw over the shifter. I can control my radio without leaning forwards. That's a little farther away. Don't really mess with that too much while I'm driving. There we go. I'm not up here anymore. The other seat I was sitting way up here, even with it down. Now I'm sitting a lot lower. Had to chop the rails up, which I shouldn't have to do, but you know, is what it is. All right, I'm gonna stop ranting on these rails and we're gonna go ahead and get this interior back together, move my laptop over, and let's get back to the time lapse. All right, other than one strip bolt for my seat mount going into my floorboard, it's a success. Now I got to get a Healy coil to put back in here and fix this. I'm not sure if I record that or not because that'll be pretty boring. But now we got the seat in. Hopefully the video isn't too boring. That's all I got right now until we start to do some more driving. Right now it's been raining, and my car doesn't like the rain because I have no windshield wipers right now. I still have to get the new bushings. They're all blown out. So I got windshield wipers and windshield blades, but I don't have the actual bushings for the actual windshield wipers. So whenever we get those, I don't know. But we should have some clear skies coming up soon, and then hopefully I can get some actual driving footage. But maybe tomorrow, hopefully it doesn't rain, we can go on a little drive and do a little couple pools here and there, and we could try some different angles. Try it from here, like you see most YouTubers do it, and then maybe I can put it on the back glass, and you can see from back looking forwards. I have to wrap the video up from there. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.